Welcome to today's video, where we dive into the profound world of Stoicism to unravel the secrets of achieving deep focus and staying calm under pressure. In our fast-paced modern world, such skills are vital for managing stress, making rational decisions, and maintaining mental well-being. Stoicism is a practical philosophy that teaches us how to lead a more harmonious life by focusing on what we can control and accepting what we cannot control. Let's delve deeper and find out how Stoicism can help us in mastering deep focus and maintaining calm under pressure. Understand what is within your control. Stoics differentiate between things within our control, like our thoughts, beliefs, and actions, and things outside our control, like the actions of others and external events. By focusing on what is within our control, we can remain unsoared by external circumstances, improving our focus and maintaining tranquility. Practice mindfulness. Stoicism teaches us to live in the present moment, undisturbed by past regrets or future anxieties. Mindfulness allows us to deeply focus on our tasks without the constant interruptions of wandering thoughts. Regular mindfulness exercises or meditation can help cultivate this state. Develop rational judgment. According to Stoicism, our judgments and perceptions shape our emotional responses. Developing rational, objective judgment helps us view situations as they truly are, preventing irrational fears or desires from disturbing our peace of mind and focus. Break tasks into manageable parts. When faced with overwhelming tasks or pressure, break them down into smaller, manageable tasks and focus solely on completing each one. This prevents feelings of overwhelm and allows for enhanced focus and efficiency, a concept aligned with the Stoic principle of focusing on the present task. Embrace adversity. Stoics view adversity as an opportunity for growth. Rather than avoiding challenges, facing them head-on can build resilience and improve our ability to stay calm under pressure. By viewing obstacles as a way to strengthen our character, we can approach them with a composed and focused mind. Visualize obstacles. Stoicism incorporates a technique called premeditatio malorum, or the premeditation of evils. It involves visualizing potential challenges and obstacles and mentally preparing for them. This mental preparation can decrease anxiety and increase our ability to deal with stress effectively. Reframe negative thoughts. Stoics practice cognitive restructuring, which involves identifying and challenging harmful thoughts. By reframing negative thoughts into more balanced, rational ones, we can maintain emotional equilibrium and focus, even in high-pressure situations. Develop a strong moral compass. Having a clear set of values and principles helps in making decisions more straightforward and less stressful. A strong moral compass serves as a guide during turbulent times, allowing us to act with integrity and maintain calm and focus. Practice regular reflection. Regular self-reflection is a key Stoic practice. By evaluating our thoughts, actions, and reactions, we can identify areas for improvement and reinforce positive behaviors, thereby enhancing our ability to stay focused and calm. Use breathing techniques. Breathing exercises are simple yet powerful tools to instantly reduce stress and enhance focus. By controlling our breath, we can maintain a calm and centered state of mind, enabling better decision-making under pressure. Stoicism, with its rational, balanced approach to life's challenges, provides a sturdy framework for achieving deep focus and remaining calm under pressure. By implementing Stoic principles like mindfulness, rational judgment, and regular reflection, we can navigate life's storms with grace and composure. Remember, these practices may require time and consistent effort to show significant results. So, embrace the journey, cultivate resilience, and witness a transformation in your focus and composure. Thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal development and well-being. Feel free to share your thoughts, experiences, or questions about Stoicism and its practices in the comments below. We look forward to hearing from you.